Okay, this thing it's so big, I'm going to cut it in half just to make it more manageable right here. And it does another thing too. I'm using a stainless steel pan. I want to be able to fit it all up in the pan like this. Okay, there we go. Now, I don't put the pan on the butcher block until I wipe it off. And that's it right there. Butcher block kills germs. Check it out. I'm all done. There is no more pork juice. There's zero bacteria. That's the good stuff right there. Continuing along. The pork loin's looking really, really nice. The next step, of course, we're going to put a generous amount of salt. Just like this. Regular salt is fine. You can use the fancy stuff if you like. I like to do the top and the bottom. Oh yeah. And along with my most favorite Cajun spice blend. There it is right there. Oh yeah. It's about 30 ingredients in there. Same thing, top and bottom, generous amount. Also, I want to go in between and get some in each one of these little pockets here. Okay. Yeah, flip it over and repeat. Okay, once we got a generous amount of this on there, we can massage it right in. What's next? Oh yeah, fresh ground black pepper. Gotta have it. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna let this rest for about a half hour or so and get the grill ready. I'll be back. Okay, 1 hour later, you can see my Cajun spice blend has permeated into the meat. A little bit of the salt also helps release a little bit of the moisture. It's looking really good. I got the grill ready now, and once again, the butcher block, there's zero bacteria or germs here. Kills germs. The best cutting surface there is. Knife gets washed off and put back in the block. We're good to go. Next step. Okay, I got this big old grill here with some oak hardwood. Beautiful coals. Look at those things. Glowing red, super hot. Very important to use a clean piece of cloth and some salad oil on the cloth. Not too much, just a little bit like this. And once you get the salad oil on there, oil your grill. This is critical. Does a few things. Non-stick is the ideal, but it does a few other things too. So we're going to oil this whole grill, and we're going to continue. I soak some cherry wood. After a few minutes, I like to put a few of these cherry wood pieces down onto the coals. Produce some smoke and some amazing flavor. And of course, if your coals get too hot, the trick for that is to keep a little bit of water nearby. Cool it off with a little bit of water. Oh yeah, that's going to be amazing. 10 minutes later, look at that color we've got forming already. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. That's the color. I'll be back. For the slow cook, we put the pork loin in a stainless steel pan like this, and we add 1 cup of liquid. You can use whatever you like. I've got a special mixture here, mostly water. We put a lid on. Some people use foil. Foil is toxic, I prefer this reusable silicone liner. It's been used 1,000 times. Keeps going. And now we slow cook. Oh yeah. I'll be back. Half an hour later. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that thick sauce. Oh yeah. Look at the pork. This is what I'm talking about. Just pulls apart. Looking good. All those juices go right into the sauce, and then we let it reduce down. Oh yeah, the finished pork loin in the sauce, ready to go. Gonna make some barbecue pork tacos here. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. The barbecue pork loin. Got cheese on these tortillas, ready to go. Little lettuce across the top like this. Some fresh lime. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this whole pork loin is about 20 inches long. It's a medium-sized pork loin. Super fresh, super nice. I want to show you the price paid and why I selected this exact piece. First of all, the price paid is a little bit deceiving. All the liquid that's inside this package. There's a lot of liquid. They actually add liquid because it's weight, and then they're charging you for it. A few tools you're going to need. First of all, the butcher block, great idea, kills germs. A towel, soak up extra juice, and a boning knife. Here we go. First, we're going to carefully remove this plastic right down the middle. Let's start right in the middle here. Get below the silver skin and put your finger in there. And we go like this. Let the knife do the work all the way down to the other side where it ends. Okay, that's looking really good now. The next step. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the butcher blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. good. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax.